7 years old when I first saw the light. A ball on the grass in a stadium bright. 100 nations singing, all in one voice. And I knew right then, this was always my choice. They said the world is divided, too many walls. But every 4 years, watch, every wall falls. From the streets of Rio to the fields of Doha. One dream, one heartbeat, we